Okay guys, it's time to learn the fifth step. The last position in our fourth step was this 1 and 2, and whole of your body is turned towards the right. You're pointing towards the right. So what you can do is from here the next 1 2 begins of the fifth step. So remember the step, every step is like 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4. So you are in this position, we have to do the 1 2. Okay, so with your right foot go back, with your right foot go back, but at the same time with your left foot kick front. So back and front, so back and front and back and front. So this is the first part of your fifth step. So it is like 1. Okay, so nice. Let's go on to the second part. So because you are in this position, switch your legs and take your right leg backwards. 1, switch your legs backward. So 1 2 backward, 1 and backward, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, switch your legs backward, 1, switch your legs backward. Okay, but if you really see, it looks like 3 steps. Okay, but what music we have? 1 2, so it has to be fast. The second, the intermediate step which is coming, the switching of the legs has to be very fast. So it has to be like 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so easy. Remember, backwards switch backwards, backwards switch backward, right leg back switch back, back switch back. Cool. So next we have to do is 1 2 3 4 of the fifth step. So we play a trick here. What we'll do is we won't actually do 1 2 3 4. We just relax a bit for the next part of the steps which is coming. So we were in this position, just wave and go towards your right. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, you are in this position, 1 and 2. You see, your both the legs attached and away, attached and away. Okay, let's do it again. Attached, away. So our entire fifth step will look like 1 2 3 and 4. But the music is of 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4. So we'll eat the music with these 4 steps, 4 sub steps you can say. We'll eat 6 beats with this 4 sub steps. So 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is how the music goes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we are done with the fifth step. Cool. Okay guys, time for the sixth step. So where we ended up in fifth step was this. We were in a straight position. So how we'll start our sixth step is with your upper body make a circle. With your upper body, use your waist, use your upper body completely and make a circle like this. So this accounts for a 1. So 1. It's like you are reloading your body. And why you are reloading? Because you want to jump. So it's 1 and 2. And it's very fast. 1 2. Maybe when you are dancing, you would not even complete this circle, which is totally okay. So it's like 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So it's like half of the circle, the semicircle completed, and you just jump because you have to cover up the beat. It's very fast. So it's like 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Nice. Now the next position is keep your right hand pointed towards the earth and your left hand pointed towards the sky. So it's like this. Okay? While you do this, twist your knee, get it inside. So like this. So 1 and 1 and 1. Okay? 1. Now simple rule, you got your knee inside, you twisted it and got it inside, just get it back outside. So 1, 2, 1. See my hands, they are switching their positions. Now the right is pointing towards the sky and the left is pointing towards the earth. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay? So the step will be 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Fine? Now let's learn the third part of this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3. Just simple. Okay, my arm was a bit lower. Just keep it high. So 1, 2, high. 1, 2, high. And 1, 2, away. 1, 2, away. So you gotta do is 1 and 2, 1, 2, away. And get it back. So this is, you were in this position, this is 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how the sixth step will look is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, nice. Now let us do the steps in counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast, make it slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you are doing the 3, 4, if you keep your head down, saying to the ground, if you see to the ground, it will look even more good, better, it will look better. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now we'll do fifth and sixth step together. So it will be like we were in this position. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice? Cool. Okay, so seventh step is pretty easy. It is just like another Bollywood step, because you are in this position and your right knee is pointed and your right leg is actually in a comfortable position to use, to get utilized. So bring it back like this. You're in this position, bring it back like this. Okay, bring it back, lift this up, bring it back, lift your knee up. See this, bring it back, lift your knee up, bring it back, lift your knee up. Nice, cool. So once you are in this position, just do another, just switch. Now switch between the positions like 1 and 2. Just that, very bad step, right? But it is fitting on this music. See how. You are here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we'll do the fifth, sixth, and seventh step together. It will be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then eighth step is nothing. It's just but walking like it is simple walking, showing attitude like a hip hopper does. I don't really have that much swag in me, but still. So you did this and then just walk. utilize the eighth step in walking because there is no music. Last step, which was the eighth step, was just a walk with an attitude, which was something like 1 and 2 and 3 and jerk. So I didn't tell you about the jerking part. You have to give a push with your right shoulder because there is a single beat line in between this track, which is like dun 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 dun. So there's something like a boom. So you just walk with attitude, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Okay. So let us do the step number 5, 6, 7 and 8 together. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and jerk. Okay? Now let us do all the 8 steps together. 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yeah. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and jerk. Awesome.